Congratulations and happy anniversary.
Thank you, MJ.
Wow. And of course, this has been a successful show abroad. So how will you alter it para syempre sa mga true blue, yung mga nakatira dito sa inyong hometown, dito sa Pilipinas?
Ikaw na pa sa home ba?
Oo, pero kasi mas ma-explain din to kasi siya, concept niya to eh. And he's also the director. So, ikaw na
The creative.
The creative, yeah.
Yes.
Sa aking puso.
Akala ko may sasabihin.
Hindi.
Ako na.
Pero syempre yung sa aking puso dito sa Manila, parang mas magagawa namin yung mga gusto namin gawin for this show. Kasi syempre pag sa abroad, mas limited, di ba?
Yeah, we know naman na there are
Mga
cost
restrictions.
considerations, restrictions pag you're doing the show abroad. But since yun nga, it's our 20th anniversary, gusto namin mas bongga.
Yeah.
So this
Yes.
show here in Manila will be mas bongga. To put it simply, no. Syempre, we will have more lighting effects and then more songs, and we have special guests in our show na usually sa US, we have the local talents, diba? And they're fine, but this one naman, we have artists who are also dear to us or close to us that will be attending, they'll be performing with us. So yun yung maraming mga special na magaganap sa September 13. In fact, meron nga kami mga ibang producers who are, they've seen the show, no? But they know that this is going to be an extra special concert. They're flying back. They're flying in to Manila to
Yung producers
even-
namin sa US,
No.
busy sila.
Yeah. Kaya it's exciting.
And because this is also telling everybody your love story through the show, what about your love do you want to highlight for the audience?
Well, sa akin, it's yung journey namin. Because our journey was not easy. We actually started really, there was a challenge, a bit of a challenge. A lot of people, maybe si Rodel, natatandaan ka ngayon. No, sorry, hindi ko binubuking edad mo, Rodel. Pero, it was very controversial when we started out. And there's a lot of people that were naysayers, na parang, hindi mo tatagal yan, or di sila bagay. Our age gap is pretty big. We're almost 11 years apart. So, even sa career
Pressure
namin.
na.
So, maraming mga things na, kumbaga, mga balakid, supposedly. Pero, we weathered the storm and we stood by our love. And 25 years after, we're still together. So, it's worth celebrating and, ipagsigawan sa mundo na
Mali kayo.
hindi na sa
Pero parang gano'n naman.
Parang
Diba? Parang gano'n na nga. Kasi yung 25 years, lalo na sa mundo ng ginagalawan natin, ako, mahirap yan. Sa
No, it wasn't easy. It was never meant to be easy, but we're very grateful, and of course, thanks be to God because He's not in the center. I don't think kami maglalas. Tsaka siguro rin yung age gap nakatulong. A lot of people might say na, laki ng gap, pero sa amin it worked. Diba? So, that was...
Mas mature daw kasi yung babae.
Maybe, yeah. Because I tell her na siguro kung hindi mas bata-bata tayo or mas baka hindi tayo nag-workout or hindi tayo nagtuluyan.
Pero siguro sa relationship namin ni Dingdong, sobrang bata ako nung nagpakasal kami, 22? Oh, yung gagawin. Huwag niya gagayahin yun.
No, it was just yung timing.
Diba?
It's not, hindi lahat ganun ang storya. Iba-iba naman.
At saka iba naman yung pinagdaanan ng buhay ko. Kaya nung time na yon, ready na talaga ako magpakasal. Tsaka dahil syempre nahanap ko na yung the one, na alam ko na confident ako na na ikaw yung pinadala ng Diyos para sa akin. Kaya meron ako
Kaya
ng
game
checklist.
na.
Game na.
Dito sa show, MJ, it's interesting because what we're sharing with you, it will be highlighted throughout the show. Mga interesting moments in our 25 years. Mga people na hindi siguro hindi sila aware, masishare namin through music at saka sa stage. Basta ganun, I wanted this show kasi to be very personal and family-oriented, ika nga. Because that's what we are. Me and Jessa, of course, Jada, we're a family. In fact, our show is on a Sunday. It's a family day. Diba? Normally, shows are Saturday,
Friday.
or Friday. But kami, we wanted it on Sunday.
Pero
And-
pwede dalhin yung mga anak
Oo,
nila.
we really want
family
na,
talaga.
tsaka pinagandaan yung repertoire namin na para sa lahat. Kumbaga, gusto namin mag-enjoy yung tao, tsaka ma-inspire, ma-uplift. Lahat na. Ganun.
Thank you so much.
Thanks, MJ.
Thank you, Miss MJ. Ay, sorry.
Follow up na si
Ayun na
Rodel.
nga.
Hi, DA and Jeff.
Hi.
Okay, follow up. Sino-sino ang mga special guests ninyo dito?
Ang mga special guests namin, syempre, una-una na, si Mr. Randy Santiago, na very close sa amin ng Dingdong. Syempre, si Miss Pops Fernandez,
Wow.
ating concert queen.
Yeah, mga close sa amin.
Mga
Tsaka
icons, diba?
naging bahagi din ng 25 years namin in one way or another. Kasama din po namin si Miss Kay Rosas and si
Ethel
Ethel
Buba,
Buba.
na kasama namin sa
Sa
Singaling,
Singaling.
sa Lilify.
Yeah, oh, yun. Malaking bahagi din yung singling sa amin eh. Nung nangyari yun, pandemic pa yun. Tapos a big thing na we were part of a show that was inspiring people, making people happy during that time na mayroong mga hindi magandang nangyayari sa mundo. Pero, you know, we were giving back, we were making people happy. So we felt na maganda maging bahagi sila din ng show. And then we also have Dylan Lenore and of course our Jada.
Gia. Okay, 25 years na kayo, di ba? Pero sa industry, alam ko si Ding Dong, 4 decades na. Tama?
Next year officially.
O, di ba? 40 na. Si Jessa, 30.
Siya actually more pero 30 as a singer. As a singer.
Pero as an actress,
8 years old pa lang siya nasa Miss
Ko, ang
Little Miss
tagal
Lady.
talaga. Anyway, speaking of matagal, ano ba ang sikreto hanggang ngayon uso pa rin si Jessa, uso po rin si Ding Dong?
Uso. Ano ba?
Adject pa rin kayo.
Well, I think, you know, in being relevant is something na you just don't, of course, you think about it, especially as an artist. I mean, you know, mapakatotoo tayo. That's always the idea is, how do you always make yourself relevant? And it's constantly figuring out, dapat you know your market. Tapos, how do you cater to your market? And then, you have to have a balance. Para sa akin to, hindi rin maganda na mag-overexpose ng artist. It's not also good. After a while, mauuma yung tao. So, kailangan balansin mo yan. No? Kailan ka iingay, tapos kailan yung okay lang, steady ka lang. And I don't know if you'll agree, but one thing that also makes us more relevant now is our daughter, si Jada, who's creating a career of her own. So, you know, it helps that, you know, there's someone from this generation yung generation niya, nakikilala kami. Baliktad na nga eh. Yung daddy ni Jada.
yun yung nanay ni Jada.
May ganun.
Nanay ni Jada.
Oo, di ba? Narinig ko yung minsan eh. Cute lang.
Pero I think malaking bagay din syempre yung naiambag namin sa music industry. Like ako yung sa show ko sa show ko sa Virginia, sa DMV. Yung audience ko doon, sabi ko nga, isa sa pinaka masaya at mainit na audience na nakasama ko sa buong karera ko as a singer. Kasi grabe, from start to finish, lahat ng songs na kinanta ko, kabisado nila, lalo na yung mga hit songs. Kahit, pinost ko nga yun sa social media ko eh. nung kinanta ko lalo na yung Bakit Pa, sabi ko, alam niyo ba yung Bakit Pa? 29 years ago ko yun nirelease. 29 years. Pero nung kinanta nila,